Okay, we are told at sea the distance from the horizon is directly proportional to the square root of the elevation of the observer. So this first sentence, what this tells us is this gives us our general equation. So distance equals k, what we don't know. This is our constant variation. That's this directly proportional, which tells us it's multiplied, right? To the square root of elevation. So this is my equation. Then we were given kind of a trial version, an initial condition. So this is 7.4 equals k times the square root of 36. We can use this equation to solve for k. So this is 7.4 equals 6k divided by 6. And I'm going to actually pull up my calculator for a minute. I want to talk about that I don't ever round, mainly because I don't want to end up with I don't want to over round, and so I would rather not round at all. So I'm going to get 6.4 divided by 6, and remember you can change this back to a fraction, and so this k is 37/30ths. I often also simply just leave it in my calculator. So in this case, 7.4 divided by 6, and this is what I'm going to work with. Now, our next question, so then what we've done is we've changed this into this. Okay, we figured out what k is. Now, given this situation, they want to know the distance if they're 64 feet above. And the square root of 64 is 8, so this is 37/30ths times 8. And now you can see here, by leaving this in my calculator, I don't have to worry necessarily about this 37/30th. I can just go times 8, and rounding this is 9.9. And I think this was miles, right? Yep, miles. So this person who's a little bit higher can now see almost 10 miles. So it's just important to get this first equation set up. So when you're doing this, distance to the horizon is directly proportional to the square root. This is your equal sign, okay? So that's how you know where this equal sign goes. Is equal sign. So hopefully that helps you set these up and see how these go. And really it's just, okay, get the general equation, use the given conditions to find that k term, that constant variation, and then you're going to go back and find what they asked for.